Hello. Here's a straight talking video with no gimmicks. Have you ever wondered why the internet is so stupid these days, and why even the most basic of daily occurrence can seemingly have a ludicrous clickbait headline given to it? I'm taking this down, it's steaming up my glasses already. So I've got a perfect example of clickbait versus normal content posting, and my goodness me, this is literally the difference between what's become my most shared and most viewed piece of content of any kind ever, compared to the non-clickbait version I posted, which is just average, probably below average even. So recently I posted this. I cannot believe what I've just seen down at the Pontius of the Aqueduct. The wind whipping the canal water up and pouring it over the side into the river below. Keep away, it is not safe out here, scary. That clip has become one of my most viewed and shared pieces of content ever online in its first week, purely because I recorded that ridiculous audio clip to go over the top saying, "Oh, it's not safe, scary!" And I know full well that that's exactly why, because I deliberately posted that clip and also posted a minute-long clip of just the natural audio recording of showing you that same view and all of the drama of the canal being whipped up out of the aqueduct, and nobody cared about the other clip. Whereas the clip where I say, "Whoa, it's dangerous!" Whoa! Whereas that clip got millions of views, hundreds of comments, shared goodness knows how many times. And it's disappointing in many respects that it's that easy and it's that simple. But from previous clips I've posted over the years of me being out and about in stormy or windy conditions, I knew full well that there's a certain amount of people out there in the world who can't wait to see anything online that they can quickly comment on to prove that they're a better person or a more sensible, more intelligent person. And so I knew by recording that audio and saying, "Oh, it's not safe," that it would give them something to rail against. And it's exactly what happened. But it worked so successfully, I couldn't quite believe what I was seeing when I'm just sat there, a nice warm toasty environment, going, "It's got 300,000 views, or it's got 500,000 views, what's going on?" And so when I posted the follow-up clip with the same view, but a longer, better clip with the actual real audio without the drama added onto it, nobody cared. Nobody was saying how dangerous it was. Nobody was saying anything at all in some cases online. It still hasn't got any comments at all in some platforms. And it just proved to me exactly what's wrong with the modern internet. That it's so easy to create nonsense and get views than it is to create something of value and get anybody to pay any attention. And obviously in the world of short form video, that's been multiplied and distilled almost to its purest form, where now if you're not getting people's attention in that first 2-3 seconds, then might as well not bothered even making a 10-second long clip. So yeah, I just wanted to share this because I thought it was an interesting talking point and a rare opportunity to have that before and after that A to B direct comparison of the original clip and the clip with the socially engineered audio on. So I thought I'd just share that with my regular viewers and subscribers, because I assume this isn't the sort of video that will go viral. At least I hope not, or I wouldn't have worn all this ridiculous stuff, especially not with my beard not even attached correctly. But yeah, there's also, just a final point here, a similar sort of thing that I've got with another clip that I posted that day. And it's me going up a flooded flight of steps. So a little bit of water coming down, no big deal really. I didn't feel I was in any particular danger or likely to slip or fall down suddenly. But of course, I knew when I posted it, there'd be some people who'd have that. But I also knew the clip itself was far more interesting and more of a curiosity than even the aqueduct windy picture and video that I posted. So anyway, posted that and it got a few 100,000 views on different platforms and stuff. Lovely. Yeah, whatever. It is what it is. Got a few of those comments from people assumedly scared of their own shadow, trying to be outraged about it. And I just thought, and this is the brilliant thing, that that clip has multiple other angles of just random people filming me walking up those steps. They were nothing to do with me. They just happened to be out and about in the area, enjoying the spectacle and the chaos of the flooding and all of the mayhem going on with water coming out of every different direction. And I just thought, there's people commenting, trying to create some sort of outrage and that online about it. Meanwhile, out there actually around me, there's families out and about. There's people home from work early who've got nothing but time on their hands because they've been sent home because of the weather. So they've been going out looking at what's going on. And it was one of those things, again, of that direct comparison of the actual experience being there. While I'm walking around these little villages and seeing these extraordinary flooding things going on, there's literally families and people out enjoying it as if it's almost snow on Christmas Day. And then by the time you get to posting online, if you get a clip that gets enough views, it's amazing how many people there are who are like, this is my time, this is my time. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, my friends. Just a curious video. Like I say, I thought it's something that was quite an interesting topic that some of my viewers might be interested in. And as I say, a rare example of actually having the real clip and the war drama audio edition of the clip to compare side by side. Till the next time, my friends, keep it interesting, keep it boat worthy, keep it Christmas worthy. That was terrible. Just see ya.